Hello guys, it's already 7:50. Yes. No, I mean 11:57. No. I feel so hungry. Then I'm going to make noodles. I will just cook it in a simple way because I'm very hungry. I can't wait. Let me keep one egg here. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, why? Take it. One egg broken. Oh, maybe because of temperature. So stuck here. Oh my god, sorry, wasted. Whoosh. Water is already boiled. Now time to cook the noodles. Just boil the water and keep the noodles and one egg. I like to put a little salt. Keep it for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Oh, I thought of keep the coriander leaves, but only egg. Vào đây, đừng có bong đi cái cỏ bông mà. 짱아, 다듬이 nè. The background might be very noisy because I on the fan. Let me show you here. I on the fan, so okay, let's get started. How is done only like this and this Fanta. Oh yeah. Yeah, dry zoom man. Yeah, dry zoom. I almost forgot to play. Get in there. I don't have green chili, I don't have coriander leaves, I don't have anything. So this is simple noodles. The tailor go. They with it? Still very hard. First bite. We go spicy. very so good. Fish. I never thought I can eat so much like this. This for my bowl and noodles. I still have this one. I'm very full now. I can sleep peacefully now. Very satisfied. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comments down below, and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.